If your builds follow a familiar rhythm, and most do, you shouldn't be drawing the schedule from scratch each time. Go to Projects, Project Settings, then Schedule Templates. Here's your template library. A standard build sequence comes out of the box, but the real power is building your own. Let's create one now and set it up properly. Click New Schedule Template. Give it a name. This one's for our double-story custom homes. Pick the job type it belongs to, add a note about when to use it, and hit Create. You start from the standard phases, so you're customizing, not staring at a blank page. Open it up. 4 phases: tender, pre-construction, construction, and post-handover, holding 49 milestones, every one of them editable. Let's open tender and set up a payment milestone. Take the deposit milestone, open it with the pencil. Everything about it is yours to set. The duration. Let's make it 5 working days. And the important one, payment trigger. Flip it on and set the percentage, 5%. Now, whenever this milestone completes on a live job, Paperless queues the payment claim automatically. Below that, notifications. Add a recipient, and every project built from this template emails them the moment the milestone lands. Your account's inbox, a supervisor, anyone who needs to know without being chased. Save, and the milestone's dialed in. Now the trades. Close tender, and down in construction open rough incomplete. Set the default trade, electrical, then add a default contractor. Pick your subby, their role, the state they cover, and add them. From now on, every project you start from this template arrives with Brightline Electrical already assigned to the rough-in, and Paperless notifies them automatically when the job goes live. Back at the library, this is how you handle different job types. 1 template each. Our custom home sits under custom. Make one for renovations too. 20 seconds, same steps, and the type pills filter the library. When you start a new project, pick the template that matches the job and the whole schedule scaffolds itself. Even easier. When a project schedule is already dialed in, open it and hit Save as Template. Your real-world sequence, the one that actually works on site, becomes the starting point for every job after it. Set your templates up once, payments, notifications, subbies, the lot, and every project after that starts itself. Next up, creating your SWIMs, your safe work method statements.